Okay, this is 2341 Sacramento Drive. We have a valve here. This might be the source of the leak that I'm seeing at the meter. But we have water damage here, which we don't know if it's coming from pipes or from just stepping out. We got damage there, both mold and no fan. So it's going to cause more damage in here. So we need a fan. We need a leak detect, and we need to repair the leak. All that's in estimate. Pause. All right, here's the other bathroom. From the window over, you can see that there's the mold in the corner here. Let's see if you get an idea. The drywall is about to fall down, and it looks like there's a roof leak, and I'll show you from where in a minute. All right, here's the window from the outside. You can see where the roof leak was right about here. If you look really closely, there's a vent. Well, it's hard to see on the video, but there's a vent right there. Let's see if I can turn. Oh, I can't see it. It's hard to see, but it's right there on the roof where it's probably leaking from.